Hi, I'm Sabina from Contabo. If your emails are reaching the inbox, your email setup might be misconfigured or seen as spam. Today I'll show you how to fix this with SPF, DKIM, DMARC and Reverse DNS PTR records. First, check your PTR record or Reverse DNS. It links your server's IP address back to your domain, proving your legitimacy to email providers. Without it, emails might get rejected. To set it up, go to your hosting provider's DNS settings and add a PTR record. Contabo customers can do this easily in the Customer Control panel under Reverse DNS Management. SPF, short for Sender Policy Framework, declares which mail servers can send emails on behalf of your domain. Without it, mail servers might think your emails are fake. To set it up, go to your DNS provider and add a TXT record like this. If you use an external mail relay, add it with include. Check your provider's documentation for exact settings. SPF helps, but DKIM, Domain Keys Identified Mail, is even better. It signs your email with a digital signature proving they haven't been altered in transit. To enable DKIM, generate a key in your mail server settings and add a TXT record to your DNS. Next, add a DMARC record to tell mail providers how to handle emails that fail SPF or DKIM checks. DMARC reports let you track unauthorized email activity. Now, let's test your settings. Use tools like MX Toolbox Mail-Tester or DMARC Analyzer to check if your email authentication is working properly. Now you know how to fix email delivery issues. Set up PTR, SPF, DKIM and DMARC and always test your settings. If you found this guide helpful, like this video, subscribe for more Contabo tutorials and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy hosting with Contabo!